today we'll be making a quick and easy balloon column. What you will need: balloons of your choice. I decided to go with these really cute blue and white polka dot balloons and also some solid white balloons. I have balloon ribbon, scissors, and a balloon pump, of course. And this balloon pump, it is so cute. It is from the company Likey, and it is just so adorable. It does come with a couple of tools to help you easily tie balloons, so I thought that was awesome. The pump itself, oh my gosh, it is so precious. Here's what it looks like. It's an adorable little elephant, so I thought that was just so cute, and it does have a cap for the top of your pump and a cord, and I think it's just so cute. It's so cute and sweet, especially for little kids or for theme parties. You can have the balloon pump sitting out and it just looks like a part of your decor. And even though it's like small and cute, it is so strong and powerful, and it definitely gets the job done. And the cute shape is just the icing on top, so I thought that that was so cute and adorable. The company sent it over for me to give it a try, and I definitely was not disappointed. I will share the link to this specific balloon pump in the description box down below, so make sure you check that out. Make sure you use my discount code LikeyNSV to get 20% off your purchase. So definitely head over and check that out. Alright, let's get started. Right, so we're going to start by blowing up our balloons. So I like to blow mine up in pairs. I'm going to go with the polka dot balloon and a solid white balloon. If you choose, you can go with both polka dots together and both whites, or it just depends on what color scheme you want your balloon column to have. So for me, I'm going to go with one of each, because once I rotate them together, then it'll alternate polka dot, solid, polka dot, solid. You'll see what I'm talking about shortly. All right. So cute. And the white. Okay, so I have two of my balloons. I'm going to tie them together. You do have the option of tying each balloon separately prior to tying them together if you choose to do so, but I feel like this just saves an extra step. So I'm going to tie them together just like that. I'm going to make that set one more time. So I have two pairs of balloons. Again, I went with polka dot and solid, polka dot and solid. The reason I did that is because I'm going to lie them one in between the other, just like this. And then I'm going to rotate it, just like that. So now you can see they're alternating. Solid, polka dot, solid, polka dot. I'm going to do this with each layer. So, just showing you guys what it's looking like. So I like to make all of my layers prior to putting them together, just because it makes the process so much faster. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to use my balloon pump and blow up all of my balloons. Then we'll start building our actual balloon column. Again, I'm going to lie them one in between the other, just like this. And the reason I don't keep it like this for a couple of reasons. One, it's just going to pop apart, and two, I have similar colors together. So once I place it, I'm going to rotate just like that. And now they're alternating. Alright, so I'm going to make a few more layers, and then we'll start building our column. have all of your balloons inflated, you're going to take 2 more balloons, and this is going to be your base. So you could use sand, you can use rocks, whatever you prefer, but an easy way that I like to do it is just to fill 2 balloons with water, and that makes a nice steady weight for the base of my column. But again, whatever you prefer. All right, so I have 2 balloons filled with water, and I'm just going to tie it in a knot a couple of times. All right, so now I have a nice heavy little weight for the base of my column. We are going to take our balloon ribbon. First thing I'm going to do is tie my balloon ribbon in a knot a couple of times, again, just to secure it to the base. Take my first level of balloons, place it right in the center, and I'm going to wrap it around the balloons in an 8 motion, tugging it a few times. And since this is the start of my column, I'm going to go around all 4 balloons, just so it's nice and secure. Again, so the 8 motion, just like that. So that's what it looks like. I'm going to take another level. What I like to do is spiral my patterns, so the polka dot will spiral around and the white will spiral around. So I'm going to rotate it just like that and sit my next level in the space in between the bottom 2 levels, so it'll sit there. Take my balloon ribbon and rotate it around my balloons in the figure 8 just to secure it, and tug it ever so often. And I'm also going to wrap it around the bottom layer ever so often as well, just to kind of keep everything nice and close together. Don't forget to tug it occasionally to pull out any lax ribbon. So that's just 2 layers. All right, I'm gonna keep going. So you can see the polka dot is starting to spiral this way, as well as the white. So I wouldn't want to put it like this, because then it's going to start going backwards, unless that's the pattern you want to go with. But if you want to just spiral it all the way around, then make sure you pay attention to how the balloon patterns are spiraling, just like that. So I would want to sit it in this space as opposed to the first space. And then go with your figure 8 around and tug ever so often. Don't forget to go back, double back around some of your previous balloons. Then pull and tug. And as you can see, I'm kind of rotating as I'm doing it so that it's not all on one side of the column, and it's kind of dispersed evenly. But you can kind of see the spiral effect already. As you can see, it is much faster when you inflate all of your balloons and go ahead and tie them together to make each level. And then once you start stacking them, it goes really quick. And like I said, I like to kind of rotate. There's no right or wrong way. Just make sure it's nice and secure, and you'll be able to kind of feel it. But if you're going and if you're wrapping it around new and old balloons and tugging to keep it nice and snug, then you should be okay. That's what it's looking like so far. Very quick and easy. Simple to make. This is only 16 balloons, and it makes a pretty decent sized balloon column. So you can definitely go all, so it's about 2.5 feet. You can definitely make it all the way up to 6 feet. I've made columns that tall before. Just depends on what you prefer. The taller you want your column, the more balloons you are going to need. So just keep that in mind. And once you get to the top, there are many options you can kind of play around with. You can add in a letter if it's a birthday. You can add in some type of baby decor if it's a baby shower. You can just add in more balloons on the top to top it off. Flowers, bouquets, bows, bears. The possibilities are endless. Nice and tall and sturdy, and that is because, if you guys don't remember, we tied our weight to the bottom of it. So you can see the weight definitely helps it to stay nice and secure. Again, if it's going to be windy, then you definitely want to use a larger weight and add in maybe something like sand or dirt or anything that's a little heavier. But it keeps it nice and secure, nice and straight and upright. And again, you can definitely have fun with the top, add in whatever you'd like, anything you prefer, just depending on what your theme is. So just have fun with it and make it your own. But it's so cute, simple, and easy to make. Modify the colors, the style, add in any additional embellishments you prefer.